Hello, Coolers, and welcome back to another huge update from Spotify Camp Nou. It's always a special feeling coming back here, seeing how this stadium continues to transform week after week, with something new always waiting around the corner. In today's update, we're taking you across the site to check the latest progress on the compression ring, facade systems, VIP interiors, and key construction zones. So, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into everything happening on site today. We begin at the north goal, where another exciting milestone has appeared. Following the earlier alignment of the anchors, the first ceramic slats have now been installed beneath the false ceiling, marking another important step in the stadium's facade transformation. This latest progress extends the slat installation into yet another sector, with more areas expected to be covered as work continues steadily. As these sections gradually connect together, the final appearance of Camp Nou's exterior is becoming increasingly visible. Returning to our elevated viewpoint, another compression ring box is advancing at an impressive pace. Most of the upper and side bolts have already been secured, allowing crews to move efficiently through this stage. Thanks to the favorable positioning of this section, installation has progressed smoothly, with only the final lower bolts left to complete the assembly. Construction activity remains strong across the upper levels of the stadium. Materials, panels, and finishing components can be seen throughout multiple sections, while crews continue shaping future restrooms, hospitality areas, and service facilities. Steady progress is also visible on the logistical level between the second and third cantilevers. As work areas become increasingly organized, more sections are being opened up for the next phase of development, bringing these important interior spaces closer to completion. One of the most important developments today can be seen around the mobility core area. Workers have now started installing facade anchors on the structure, marking another significant step toward completing the stadium's exterior appearance. These new anchors will eventually connect the facade sections already visible on both sides of the mobility core. With installation now underway, this area is expected to develop rapidly over the coming weeks as more facade elements are added. Moving into the lateral section of the stadium, activity continues both inside and outside the structure. Workers remain active around the stairways and interior platforms, while exterior support structures for the facade are gradually expanding. The biggest changes here continue to be related to the diamond zones. Recent excavation and hydraulic hammer work has prepared several areas for the next construction stages, and crews are now moving forward with concrete and structural work. One of the diamond structures has seen particularly impressive progress. Areas that were still enclosed by formwork yesterday have already been concreted, with workers removing panels to reveal newly completed sections. Additional formwork has also been installed around neighboring areas, indicating that more concrete work is approaching. Despite poor weather conditions and heavy rain recently, construction has continued without major delays, allowing this diamond zone to advance quickly. Another major development can be seen in the Tribune side diamond area, where workers have started installing the support framework needed to form the next diamond structure. Large numbers of workers are focused on this section, transporting support beams and assembling the structure. With construction teams heavily concentrated in this area, progress is expected to accelerate rapidly during the coming days as reinforcement and concrete work begin. Continuing through the middle section of the north goal, crews remain focused on facade preparation. Workers can be seen applying protective black coating while others continue working around the anchor systems already installed in this area. With the supports and anchors largely prepared, this sector appears to be moving closer to the next phase of facade installation. Progress remains steady, and this area could soon see further additions as work continues to advance across the stadium. Moving into the corner section of the north goal, another notable development is the arrival of a new escalator. The previous escalator has already been installed inside the stadium, while this newly delivered unit is expected to be positioned soon, adding further progress to the circulation infrastructure being developed throughout the venue. Nearby, crews continue working around the facade structure, applying protective coatings and carrying out preparation work behind the slat support systems. Another encouraging sign is the growing number of sandwich panels that have recently arrived on site, indicating that work on enclosing more sections of the stadium could continue advancing in the coming days. In the Tribuna area, new progress is clearly visible from the viewing point, with structural work advancing across the service cores. On the left side stands, crews are now beginning to install the superstructure at the front of the cores. On the right-hand core, activity continues with platforms in operation and ongoing installation of the remaining sandwich panels at the upper level. Work is progressing step by step, and this section is gradually moving closer to completion as finishing adjustments continue on site. Today at the North Goal, we bring you another interesting compression ring update, marking a new stage of progress in the stadium's roof structure development. A large compression ring box is being lifted and carefully positioned, with crews guiding it smoothly into place using precise coordination and control. This key structural element plays an important role in shaping the overall roof system of Camp Nou. As the component approaches its final position near the radial beam area, the team continues fine adjustments to ensure perfect alignment. With each installation, the roof structure becomes more defined, gradually taking shape and moving closer to its completed form. We arrive just in time as a small structural beam is being moved into position, likely to support upcoming installation work within this section. One of the key highlights from this sector is the strong progress on the decorative slats at the south goal. A significant number of slats were installed yesterday, quickly transforming this area and giving it a much more complete and refined appearance. With most of the central gap now filled between the pillars, this section of the stadium is steadily taking shape, and further installation work is expected to continue in the coming days. We can now see growing activity around the future Barca store, with workers visible both outside and around the main entrance. One of the most noticeable developments is the ongoing work on the ground level, where crews have begun preparing and raising sections of the floor. Inside the building, activity remains more limited for now, but progress continues steadily. With only a few months remaining before key project deadlines, some important and memorable stages of construction are still to come. Overall, Camp Nou continues to make strong progress across multiple fronts. The compression ring is expanding steadily. Facade preparations are advancing across several sectors. Mobility cores are receiving new panels and anchors, and diamond construction is moving forward at an impressive pace. With structural work, facade installation, and access infrastructure all progressing simultaneously, the stadium is entering another important phase of its transformation, with significant developments expected throughout the coming weeks.